Join a community to advertise your blog. Something that you will find, especially if you join something like LiveJournal or GreatestJournal, is that users just like you have created communities for people with common interests. There are communities for just about any subject, and if you find that there isn't a community for the subject, you can create one. This is a great place to advertise your blog. The nice thing about communities is that there isn't any limit as to how many communities that you can join. For example, say that you love blogging about books, horseback riding, and skiing in Tahoe. All you have to do is look through the communities for ones that have those interests and join them. As long as you post something related to the topic to the chosen community, people will see you and perhaps they will check out your personal blog. Something to remember is that you don't want to write a post that is one sentence long in order to get people to go to your blog. They will want to know that what you write is interesting and is something worth reading. Joining communities can be a great way to advertise your blog and drive traffic to it. If you are referring to something that you posted about on your blog, you can use a link back to your entry in your post. As with posting comments on someone else's blog, you don't want people to think that you joined a community simply to get traffic to your blog. Otherwise, people won't visit your blog and you may get banned from the community as well.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.